All right, fellas, it is December, and you know what that means. We've got to get our Polaris ready for winter and get this Kolpin plow bolted back on. So I think we're going on 3 years now that we've had this plow, and I haven't had to do anything. It's still working really well. The factory, or the little bracket that it comes with underneath, I just checked it a minute ago. It's still nice and tight. It's not come loose, and I keep that little bracket on all year long. So so now all we got to do is just simply slide this baby under here, put in 2 pins, and then connect our winch to the front, and then we're ready to rock for yet another season. So again, I really think this plow is pretty awesome. This is the first plow I've ever owned, on an ATV. So I can't really speak for any other ones, but for what I paid for this thing, I think this is the 60-inch, or you're able to change the size on it. Watch the original video from 2 or 3 years ago. You can see the whole installation. But going on another year, and this thing's been working really, really awesome. So let me show you how quickly and easy it is to put this thing on. So slide it into place. And then we just got to get underneath it now and put in our pins. All right. Now we just got to get under here, slide this bad boy up. And I'm kind of coming just from this side, just so you guys can still see what I'm doing here. But slide this guy up here. Boom. 1 pin in. Let's just go ahead and get this one in next. That's it, dudes. Put on the cotter pins. I don't know if I can see with this blinding light here, but boom. Let's see if I can do it without even looking. No, we might need to see. Oh, whoa, now. All right. That's it. Take it 10 seconds. All right, last step. We just got to now connect our winch. So let's go ahead and get the power on. Get some slack. Get our winch hooked up. Bada boom, bada bing. And then usually for my particular driveway, I like to have this thing cranked on a little bit of an angle. So I think usually, I probably need to spray some WD-40 on there, but that's it. I'm ready to rock for winter, guys. Now, back at the time when I installed this plow a few years ago, I also had installed this Polaris winch. So this is the OEM Polaris factory winch. So I ordered that, put that on. I didn't do a video on it, but I want to say, I forget what I ended up ordering, but anyway, this is the Polaris winch, but it all went on pretty good, pretty easy, but I've also had no problems with the factory Polaris winch, so, it was pretty expensive, but worth the money, and one of the reasons why I went with the Polaris winch over some of the aftermarket ones was mostly due to the factory switch. I wanted to be able to have that nice kind of up and down switch right on the handlebars. It looks factory, it looks clean, and all the installation for that was really nice. I think it all plugged in super easy. So definitely recommend the Polaris winch. And then this plow, I think, for the money too. I mean, it works really well. I'm here in Metro Detroit, so we don't get a super ton of snow, but we do get. I probably use this plow 5 or 6 times a winter, where we get pretty decent snow. So anyway, 2 thumbs up on this bad boy for another year in a row. No complaints, nothing at all, and it's holding up well as far as all of the it's not rusting anywhere. Everything looks really good, so I'm still pretty stoked on this thing. So definitely would recommend it. So if this helps you out, maybe check out some of the earlier videos with this plow and the install, all that good stuff. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.